Hello everyone, it's StazOn here again. It's been a while since I last uploaded, but here I am making another tutorial. I'm making a narrow top fold card today with the tropical theme. The stamps I'm using here are from the Simply Cards and Papercraft magazine, and I'll list everything down in the description as usual. I'm using this cheese plant leaf and the Mowed Lawn distress ink. You'll notice that I double stamp most of the leaves. This is just so I get a bolder colour and a bit more texture in the leaf. Others I'm going to stamp off the paper to remove some of that ink, and this helps give me a fainter leaf and a bit more depth to the card. Now, on a piece of scrap card, I'm taking the tropical flower from the same set and stamping that down with the Versafine. I'm then going to use the die from the set as well and secure it in place with a little bit of masking tape, and I'm going to go and run that through my Gemini. Once that's cut out, I'm using distress inks to colour it in. I'm using an acrylic block to stamp down the ink and taking a wet paintbrush and going in and adding colour onto the petals. Now, I'm not the best at watercolouring, but I do find that it's better to put a little bit more colour in the middle so it's darker and have it lighter out toward the edges so it looks like the petals are curving a little bit. I'm then using the same brush and going straight into the spiced marmalade, and then I'm going to colour in the centre of the flower with this as well. Next, I'm going to add my sentiment. I'm using the 4U stamp from the set. I'm just going to line this up so I know I want it, but because my piece of card is quite small, I found it best to roll the piece of masking tape up and secure it from underneath. That way I didn't lose the stamp onto the tape. I'm using the StazOn ink for this as I find it dries very quickly, and being a small piece of card, I'm bound to stick my fingers in and smudge the ink when I pick it up. I also love the ink because it smells amazing, kind of like almonds. Last thing to do is piece all the elements together. I use the Tonic studio glue to stick most of my backgrounds down. I find it's got a good hold once it dries, but enough will go in before it does so I can change things if I need to. I'm then using a spare strip from the start and place my sentiment over this. I like layering sentiments like this as it brings the card together and makes the sentiment pop a bit more against the white background. I'm using my scissors here to snip that down to size. And then before I stick that down, I'm gonna use some foam tape to stick my flower down. Now, I think I said in the last video how I lay out my tape, so I fold it in half, peel off one side so I can pick up my element, and then position it and peel off the other side. And again, taking that Tonic glue and then apply that to the back of the sentiment and position that as well. Now, I felt my card was missing something. I needed a little bit more colour on it. So I took a little strip of washi tape, I've got a pink glittery one here, and I'm just going to go across the top of the card just against the white, just to pop it out a little bit more, and it draws the flower in a bit too. Now, I don't do it here, but I did go back afterwards with a small glue pen and just went underneath the washi tape to secure it a little bit as I found it was peeling up slightly at the edge. So that's that. This is a purple variation of the card I made with an orange flower, and I also made a matching tropical envelope. If you enjoyed this video, please smudge that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!